Welcome to Transform Academy, where innovation meets opportunity. Ready to learn new skills, earn rewards, and grow your impact. In minutes, I'll show you everything we offer, from courses to digital products, services, and more. First is Homepage, your learning hub, where you can instantly access our site channel, services, online courses, freelancing solutions, affiliate marketing, philanthropy projects, and more, all just one click away. Second is the About page, our mission and vision, which explains how we empower creators, entrepreneurs, and professionals with practical, high-quality education designed for real-world success. Next is the Online Courses page, where you can explore categories such as HSE, ICT, health and social care, AI, business, marketing, design, and more. Each course page provides previews, pricing details, modules, outcomes, duration, and requirements, so you know exactly what to expect before enrolling. Next is the digital products page, offering instant downloads like cheat sheets, checklists, planners, guides, and templates. Perfect for professionals and businesses looking for ready-to-use resources. Next is the store page, where you can shop premium physical products from trusted suppliers, delivered right to your door. Next is the booking page, designed to help you easily book services such as YouTube production, LMS course creation, QHSE and AI consulting, digital product creation, and more, all with clear, flexible pricing. Next is the Refer Friend page, where you can share your unique link, and when someone signs up, both of you earn rewards. Next is the loyalty program page, which allows you to earn points for enrolling in courses, making purchases, leaving reviews, subscribing, and following us. You can redeem these points for discounts, bonuses, and early access to new content. Next is the pricing plans page, where you can choose between monthly or annual options. Starter, basic access with no commitment. Pro learners, advanced access to select premium courses and services. Elite Academy, unlimited premium access plus the ability to earn while learning. Lastly is the Partner with Us section, where creators and SMEs can co-create courses, videos, and products, or join our affiliate network. Simply fill out the form on our support page to get started. Transform Academy is your partner in success. Learn, earn, and grow while building your personal brand. Our vision, empowering minds worldwide through innovative online education. Visit WeTransformAcademyHub.com